Happy Friday, everybody. Just got home and I think we're going to this food truck. Another food truck Friday in a different town this time. I want to show y'all my shirt too. Mental health matters. Shout out to Witty Chick Designs for doing my shirt. I'll link her website. My cousin Whitney, by the way. I'll link her website in the description box. But just want to say, hey, I still got my twists going strong. I like how I did them this time. They're smaller. I'm probably gonna take these out either Sunday or Monday and redo them or do a twist out, do something, because I do not want these guys to lock up. That's not what my intentions are. I just wanted this so I can get up and go. Don't have to do no hair. Get up and go. So I will see y'all when we start doing these activities. Also, I forgot to tell y'all that my line sister Regina is having a birthday party tomorrow, so I'm going to that. But the dress I had to wear, it doesn't go with the theme for real. It's like a luau themed party, so I gotta find something for her party. I know I'm very late. The party tomorrow, I'm late, and because I thought the outfit was cute, but whatever. I'll find an outfit. Gotta find something vibrant and palm trees and I don't know, something cute. I'm gonna figure it out. We're on the way. We had to make a detour to Target to get Ace some swimming trunks and a towel because they got the splash pad open out there. So we gotta get him that so he can get in the water with all the other little kids.
Still looking best. What the little boys?
Gotta be somewhere.
I say 3 months. 2. But what about a little shirt?
They got the shirts too. That's cute. The little suns on there. I don't know what a towel is. Ow! I just pinched my lip. Ow. Hurt. Alright.
Hey, I thought that was you.
Hey! Y'all want to be in my vlog? Y'all want to be in my vlog? Hey, Zara. Hey, y'all. What are you doing? We see y'all everywhere. Look who it is.
I cannot.
Fave. Hey, y'all.
What are you doing?
Come here. Listen, I haven't even.
Hey. You say what now? Well.
Listen, look.
It's the fact that you're literally sitting here talking like you're talking to somebody.
Don't do that. It was good seeing y'all.
You too. See you guys.
See you later.
Go.
Uh-huh.
No, thank you.
Come on. You found a towel. We're done. Ace got his orange aesthetic going on. We are here. Ace got on his water outfit. He is excited to be out here in this We out here, honey.
She's the one for you. Let it sky your feathers. Let's just do this right. If you
They got food trucks out here. What's that? Had wings and what she had? Fries with some on top of them.
Oxtail.
Yeah, she had oxtails. Ace is done at the splash pad, I guess. So his pants wet. And I was trying to get some food. We were trying to get some food from over here. Oh, this mesh stuff?
What is that? How you doing?
This is where we're trying to go, but the line is like all the way back here. That's some great food. Oh, you wanna? Hey!
You wanna go over here with a Cookie Monster?
Yeah. What's the Cookie Monster? What's wrong with you, Ace? Ooh, look at his hair. Oh, you want a snow cone?
You got to stand in line. There's no line in the Cookie Monster.
What's wrong, buddy? So we're trying to see what the Cookie Monster got. I guess it's cookies. Just cookies. Cookie Monster. So, see what that's about. I want the food. I'm not talking about no cookie. All the actual food is packed. We got peach cobbler,
Banana pudding.
chocolate chip cookie, and a nutter butter cookie.
Nutter butter.
So we're gonna see if it's good. We done got dessert before we got any food. The way this line set up though, we just had to do it like this. Why is white? That ain't what peach cobbler. Oh, it must be whipped cream or something.
But he went to the cold water.
Yeah, he went to the cold water. He got trying to find it. I don't know.
Check the diaper bag. Okay, check the Target bag. We'll just have to get you some juice when we make our next stop.
It's good. It got whipped cream in there. It's not the black people way, but it's okay. It worked.
That's not funny.
Lemon pepper steppers.
Hey, you want some lemon pepper steppers?
That's not funny.
Do you want some?
Ace was just talking about some lemon pepper steppers. I should have recorded it. We are at our favorite place. Trying to find something for this party. I didn't get to go yesterday. So, came out today. We're at Ross. Our favorites. Favorite store ever. Hope the line ain't long. I hope this line is not like super long in here. Let's see. Hey. Golly, bud. The longest dude. Because I got this camera. Because I got this camera. This is cute. It might work. I might have to hold on to it. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna hold on to that. I'm trying to find the tropical. This is tropical or Hawaiian theme, I should say. But I got see if they have like a dress.
Your bill, line 1. Your bill, line 1.
Ooh. So I kind of like this. It's a jumpsuit. So I'm gonna see if that. Ooh, Lord, my throat. My throat was dry, cheddar. What's going on? I'm gonna see if that works. This is cute. I don't like that. String on the back. But so I got that shirt and this dress. This is tropical. I can wear that top with some jeans, and then of course this jumpsuit. Not a dress. Yeah. Drawer. Where's my mother? Oh, she over here. Show her what I got. Ooh. Oh, that's a skirt. If I did wear a skirt, I would have to find like a crop top or something to do with that. Let me see. This is cute, y'all. Of course, I'm not gonna wear this bra. This is cute. It's kind of cute. So I don't really like these jeans. Look how they're ripped at the. I don't like it at the bottom. I kind of don't like this. I'm not supposed to go. I guess I gotta tuck that in. It's making me iffy. Like it's cute, but it's not at the same time. Probably gonna have to search again. Keep searching. I think this is the one, y'all. And it's tropical. Tropical vibes. Yeah. Got it. It's $9.99. Look at God. We're out here, you guys. Again, finna go to Bales, TJ Maxx, and Rainbow. Or something like that. They usually have a sale on sandals. So that is what I am going to see. And I'll probably blog in there. Whee! Oh. Alright. Probably blog.
Okay.
So hopefully I might find some in here. And we're going to a wedding on the 16th. So Mom gotta find an outfit for that. We just searching for everything. There's so many people out here today. I see these folks. I done came in Bales, y'all, and got these shirts for work. I found some work clothes. Lord, that's not what I came in here to look for. But I found some, and they on sale, of course. They like $7.99, $8.99. So I'm happy about that. These cute, y'all.
They're like not surprised, but with grilled steak topped with spicy berry sauce.
I like them.
They're
I
basically
might get them. We are done shopping. I did get those sunglasses. And now we headed home. Quint should be off by now. Let me see what time it is. Oh yeah, it's 1:29. So he should be off. He's probably gonna take a nap or something, and then because the party doesn't start until 5:30. So I guess I'll. Yeah, we can go get some food and then go home. We are finally leaving. 4:37. Lord, we're gonna be late. I told Regina we're gonna be late, but you don't have to fly, honey.
I ain't flying.
Oh, Lords. Yeah, so I gotta stop and get gas. And then gonna be on our way. It says it takes 1 hour and 29 minutes. The party start, I said it already started at 5:30. So hopefully we won't miss too much. And Quint talking about he got this Coca-Cola because he's sleepy. Should've got a Red Bull. You might need to get a Red Bull or something.
I said, that's distant.
You got it my way. You got it that way too. But yeah, so we'll be on our way soon. Once we get gas. Hopefully traffic isn't like super bad. But I'll update y'all when we get on the road. For real. Had to make a pit stop at the gas station because I'm not trying to be on the side of the road today. It like it rained here. We're at Circle K. Definitely been raining. The clouds are dark. So it said we should be there hour and 15 minutes. It says now. So we won't be hour and 11 minutes. So we won't be too bad. Thank goodness. Won't be too late. But yeah, so we just made a quick stop to Circle K, get gas, and I gotta use the bathroom. We almost there. It's a whole Frito-Lay truck in the way. Oh, cause he broke down. So that's why he in the way.
The whole motor gone.
Right, the whole car. Like what?
Yeah, I was trying to get in contact with Emma.
Yeah, so we
Emma
are almost there. Had
instead
a
of Emma
delay.
doing the hair at my
Like, I don't understand.
I did not record it. It's birthday girl. So we here at Regina's party. They got the music playing. Hopefully I can record this. Man, you having fun?
Big mad. I put that bitch on the shelf and let it ventilate. Bought another car cause I ain't know how to celebrate. That big boy, that big bitch, for all weather. Never rain in Cali.
Everywhere I go, I got Mr. Magic here. Cause I know that nigga don't care. He'll have that red shit pouring out your house, nigga. Any fucking time, nigga. Any fucking world. Make a bleed is the motto that I live by. If you fuck with me, it's a must you die. Them niggas might run, but
We are leaving the party. Did you have fun, Quint?
Oh yeah, enjoy yourself.
It was fun. It was cool. You know, chill vibes. I had fun. I'm glad I came. But yeah, we finna head down this road, get back home, because it's almost 9 o'clock. I sound like an auntie. Come on, it's almost 9 o'clock. But we finna get gone. I had fun. I'm glad Regina had fun. She's enjoying herself with her party. And I will vlog when I get home. We made it back home. It's 10:54. Tired. I'll see y'all in my next vlog.